Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today, we'd like to talk about ICP, just the local targets and updates for this token. Let's dive in. Right, guys. This Saturday we will see the spring, and I still bullish for all alts this spring 2025 because I truly believe anyway sooner or later the liquidity will start inflow from the BTC into alts, and looks like the Bybit hack was the last point, and now we can move at least 2-3 months up. So it was the last massive fear on the market, because if not, and we going down in lower correction during this next 3 months, spring, summer also will be just like sideline. And unfortunately, if now in this week or the next 1 week, we will not see the major moves on alts, I have no idea what we can expect even summer 2025. Because the summer by seasonality, on all markets, it's just not bearish. It just less volatile. So almost without liquidity. So global targets, for ICP, now it looks like impulse, sideways, and we can or drop, because we're ready to sweep this liquidity pool, or we can drop to close this one, weekly gap, tiny one, or we can drop even lower. So guys, never say never, because a lot of people all the time when you show some low targets, they call it a FUD. But last time we're here, I shared we have potential, dump to $5 or even lower. People say it's unreal, but we dump at 72% down. So imagine that people who hop in here at $20, at $19, they in losses on the spot portfolio like minus 60%, for example, in average. That's why, guys, why we can't drop now, like 34% to test this order block. Of course, it's possible, but I hope we will not see that one. So globally, also, if we go to a line chart here, I guess a lot of people now draw the trend lines, like this one. So it's just a basic. So extended lines right on a line chart, and a lot of people wait something like this one. Retest and going higher. Technically, it could be the double bottom, right? And we can go exactly to this target, around this one. So $36, $38, it's more than real targets for ICP, even with a big capitalization. My take and end of cycle for this stock, and it's around here. So it's around 91, 85, $91 for ICP. Of course, you can hate it, you can love it. Many people wait some crazy gains like 500, 300 per ICP. If you believe in that targets, if you wait the targets, if you got a strategy plan, logical plan, when to in, when to out, and you wait logically the 500 for ICP, of course you can wait. So I'm not pretend to be the expert who always right. No, guys, I just share my ideas. You can have your own ideas. So locally, daily time frame scan looks like we build maybe one more like this move at the beginning of March and going higher. So it could be the best case scenario. But what I don't like the timing. So imagine that usually, of course, it's not a rule, but usually like beginning of summer, June, it's some correction on the markets. So take a look. If we talk about June, so it's around here. So it's not a big deal, right? We don't have too much time for summer. It looks like, oh, we will see the crazy altcoin season, but take a look, guys. It's just a few weeks to see the main move on alts. So it's around like 91 day. So yes, of course, in 91 day, a lot of things can happen, right? So take a look. Let's say like this one here. It was 100 here. This one, for example, and we dump 56%. So if we will pump from this current prices, so yes, it can be around just in theory, you know, we can't know what will happen in the market. But the best case scenario, I guess, would be something like this one: correction summer and last impulse to this top in the autumn. Here people will start screaming, we're going to $100, we're going to $200, to, I don't know, whatever, 1,000 for ICP, you know, it's a future. And after that, we go into the bear market. So it's my take, you know. Daily time frame, let's take a look what we can see and where we can stop. ADZ direction, market moon, money power. This is a capitulation. Capitulation, total capitulation, nobody care about ICP on a daily. This is some signals to buy from the whales. Here there was signals to sell. Here was a Afria, a lot of bullish divergency. Here is a MACD bullish divergency, RSI bullish divergency, everything okay. Everything okay. Weekly time frame also. We crash it down into capitulation zone. So last time we traded in capitulation zone, it was October 2023. This one at $3. Now we traded $7.23 at the same capitulation zone, and here need to see the money inflow into money power indicator. So more bullish signals than bearish. So guys, it's good. Just we can't control the time, so that's a problem. Sell, buy back, no signal to buy. Here's accumulation on the weekly. Daily time frame, here was signal to buy. Sell, close short position, buy. So would be good to see not sweep of this low, $5.60, and continue rally higher because we leave this overflow, break of structure, and going down, going higher. So that's it. And the last indicator is take profit. Daily time frame, we already tested almost fundamental value, tested the buy line. So I don't see any reason why we should drop again to the fundamental value. So guys, I'm more bullish than bearish. Technically, yes, we can retest the buy line again. It's $5.65. But remember what I tell you about the potential, this one, test of a triangle. So we can see something like this move with a weak candle, test 13 going down, and after that bounce, and form the global double bottom with the targets around $35. So that's it, guys. Take profit now. It's 11.20 and exit line 12.67. So guys, all targets I showed you. Write please in the comment what do you think about ICP. If you like to trade with my customer set what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.